Hey guys, welcome to your Digital Review YouTube channel. Today I will give you a genuine review on Bluehost hosting. So let's start. We have been paying Bluehost web hosting customer throughout 2017 to 20. That means we have been monitoring their cheapest basic shared hosting plan performance for 3+ years. This Bluehost review relies heavily on data as well as the overall experience with their hosting feature and customer support. Similarly to many other websites hosting companies, they too offer their new user a free domain for the first year. Bluehost is clearly at the top with its uptime 99.9% fast load time of 405 milliseconds. Pros of using Bluehost hosting. 1. Best uptime 99.9%. Uptime is one of the most important aspects when choosing a web hosting. After all, if your site is down, your user can't access it. So consistently good uptime should be one of your top priorities. That might seem pretty high, but it's actually even slightly below average. Type those numbers into the calculator and you will quickly see it translates into at least 26 minutes of the downtime each month, or just over 5 hours over the course of a year. Bluehost is one of the most reliable web hosting provider according to our uptime study. So ideally we don't want to see anything less than that. Here is the monthly breakout of the past 12 months. January 2020 average uptime 100%. December 2019 average uptime 100%. November 2019 average uptime 100%. October 2019 average uptime 99.96%. September 2019 average uptime is 99.9%. August 2019 average uptime is 99.99%. July 2019 average uptime is 100%. June 2019 average uptime 99.98%. May 2019 average uptime 100%. April 2019 average uptime 100%. March 2019 average uptime 99.99%. Feb 2019 average uptime 100%. Conclusion. Bluehost is one of the most reliable web hosting provider according to our uptime study. Second, top 5 website load speed 405 milliseconds. A report from Google last year found that the vast majority of the mobile websites are way too slow. Google's mobile first index can either elevate or hide your site in user search based on its loading speeds. So after uptime, your host page loading times are the second most important thing that can literally make or break your site's success. And once again, we were pleased with the results. An average page loading speed of 405 milliseconds, which places as the 5th fastest site out of everybody that we have tested. Third, low introductory pricing, $2.75 per month. That's pretty good deal considering they have supposedly reduced it already from $7.99 per month originally. If you were to go check out the starting price, you will notice the lowest advertised price is $3.95 per month. For that price, you get pretty much everything you need for a single website. So you would be getting a pretty good value for the price, plus their consistent uptime and page loading speeds. The good news is that we have been able to work out a deal with Bluehost for our readers that takes the starting price down even further to $2.75 per month. This is the lowest rate we have seen anywhere online, and trust, our team spends way too much time. So it's a great deal if you are in the market for a new affordable host. Fourth, good security option. Even though Bluehost is one of the cheaper options on the market, we have been pleased to see that they don't cut too many corners or skim on critical features like security. Bluehost provides a lot of this good security option by default, including the free SSL certificate for the each plan like we mentioned earlier. All plans also include a domain privacy feature that will help keep the personal information you use to sign up for a domain private. SiteLock is included to help prevent malware attacks, which are unfortunately fairly common on WordPress sites. CodeGuard is another form for protection, which also provides daily backup so you can roll back previous versions of a site if it does get hacked. It provides a spam protection for your emails, so anything suspicious is prevented from getting in your box. many integration app and e-commerce feature. Beyond the included security feature, Bluehost also access to a huge number of the different apps and integrations, so you can use the most popular services on the web. For example, they have a domain manager if you would rather just purchase and manage multiple domains through them. You can set daily, weekly or monthly backup just in case. You can install WordPress with a single click. Sixth, official WordPress.org recommended host. Of course, you can use almost any web hosting provider to create a WordPress site. But the fact that Bluehost is one of the few official recognized partners is encouraging. Seventh, easy to use for beginners. Some of the web hosts we have seen are the best only for advanced users. So if you are a beginner, you have a tough time getting a site live. It also has features for advanced users, but beginner too can easily install and start up WordPress. Or they can use the Bluehost website builder tools to start with the template that they can customize by just dragging and dropping feature. 8. 30 days money back guarantee. Getting the best deal on web hosting usually means preparing for a few months, a year or several years at a time. Bluehost is no different, more on that below. But they can do offer a 30 days money back guarantee on their plans. You can only get refunds on the web hosting cost, not any other product like domains or other add-ons. A $15.99 fee will be deducted if you received a free domain name in your plan. Any request after 30 days will not be refunded. So make sure you're okay with those points before signing up. 9. Customer support. Bluehost offers everything from a knowledge base to live chat, email ticket support, and even phone support. We tried out the live chat and Vinutha from Bluehost connected within 2 minutes. Cons of using Bluehost hosting. Site migrations are not free. Bluehost pricing, hosting plans, and quick facts. Bluehost's basic plan will cost $3.95 per month or $2.75 with our discount. Free domain. Yes, for first year, then renews at $15.99. Ease of sign up. Easy two-page sign up process. Renewals rate for both domains and hosting increase. Unfortunately, it is a common occurrence in the web hosting industry and happens with a lot of the different big names hosting companies. Account activation. Most users enjoy instant activation. If the information is inaccurate or they are suspicious of fraud, activation might get delayed. Control panel and dashboard experience. Simple and easy to use control panel. Installation of apps and CMS, etc. Mojo Marketplace makes app installation quick and easy. Do we recommend Bluehost? Yes, we do. Bluehost has ranked at our near the top for both uptime and loading times for more than a year. In addition, they offer strong security support, a money-back guarantee, and plenty of user-friendly apps for all one of the lowest rate in the industry, that is $2.75 per month. So overall, Bluehost delivers strong performance and good value. So below is the Bluehost web hosting link in the description. Check out description box. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you.